আমি চলে এসেছি এখন র্যাপসোডিতে স্কুলে আমার প্রজেক্ট আর দাদা দিদির প্রজেক্টটা একটু দেখে নিই চলো।
Please come to the registration desk and get yourself enrolled. Painting is going on.
Today, I was humble enough not to be boastful about my strength again. I have understood that humility is greater than power. We should always remain humble. I am alive today because I was humble. Thank you.
Demonstration, please. Demonstration.
Yes.
On which topic? Which topic do you want to hear on? Which topic do you want to hear on? There is no use of ATM.
Loudly.
There are ATM, automatic teller machine. There is also Reserve Bank of India. There are fraction, the ancient coins, modern means of communication. Which topic do you want to hear on?
Your name?
Yes, I am Priyas Paul of class 4B and I have the task of demonstrating these projects made by some of my classmates and also my projects and charts.
Thank you.
এইটা আমার project. দেখেছি না
মানে কিছু ভেবেছো আমার যে এই মানুষ কোন টাইমে এই মানুষ এগুলো করতে পারে?
The Evacuation Park, you can see it's totally green, has a lots of trees and a lots of greenery. But in the Evacuation Park, we can't see either greenery nor trees because we humans have decided to cut more and more trees instead of planting more seeds. And we humans have also decided to throw more waste randomly into the environment instead of throwing this into the dustbin. So we should prevent it so it can get more greenery and it can release more oxygen. Thank you.
Industrial buildings, houses and factories are coming directly into the water. Animals drinking this water are dying off. Also in rural areas, some humans have drink this water as they have no other way of water supply, and they are also having different types of stomach problems. Underwater animals are eating sometimes of stored particles, thinking that they are food particles, and they are also dying it up. Water is a major thing in our environment. Without water, there can be no human, no animal, nothing can be there. And water is becoming polluted, so the majority of our environment, basic thing of our environment is getting harmed.
And the cow dung from cow shed is used as a natural fertilizer in the field, which helps in growing of the crops. And
Water is very
giant waste and release
our
waste from
life.
the dumping area.
Life is not possible without water. We use water for drinking, cleaning, cooking, and etc. Nowadays, many places are facing water shortage. Rivers, ponds, and wells are drying up. The main reason is the overuse and misuse of the water. If we do not take care of the water now, there may be no clean water left in the future to save water for our daily life.
हाँ
This is the plate, and there is
हाँ
passenger window. There is door for the passengers. There is another passenger window, but not door. And there are 3 wings, and one fan. And there is 3 fans. Look there, 1 fan.
We have made project on tariff or trade war between USA and India. Let me show you a demo. As you can see that these 2 ships are roaming on the sea but unable to meet any of the countries and used to sell their products because both the countries have put tariff or trade tax against each other. So they promote their own domestic industry. Meanwhile, the countries who rely on the import and exports become the sufferers. India is also suffering in various ways. As you can see that 2 to 3 days on Indian rice. Meanwhile, a few percentage of Indian rice used to get export from India to USA, and many other goods are there on whose the USA have added tariff. So ultimately, to increase the economy of India, India has to increase the rate of each and every daily life product of on India itself to increase their economy. So ultimately, this will affect the common people of our country only. So if you have liked it, then please give us the
This is the pollution model. Pollution causes undesirable changes to the surface of the earth, and it is air pollution, which is caused by factory chimneys and causes global warming and other greenhouse effects. This water part has actually leaked, so we cannot show it right now, and she will continue.
This is water pollution which kills aquatic and marine life. It is injurious to human life and it causes diseases like typhoid. This is soil pollution which is caused by unbiodegradable substances like plastics and other wasted stuff, and it also disrupts the food chain of human beings or other living beings. Thank you so much.
লাগবে এবার এটা ততক্ষণ ঘুরবে যতক্ষণ না আমরা নিচ থেকে ম্যাগনেটটা সরিয়ে নিচ্ছি। এবার যদি আমরা এইখানটাতে হাত দিই এই এক্সাক্ট জায়গাটাতে, তাহলে একটু দেখতে পাবো যে এটা গরম গরম হয়ে গেছে, বিকজ এতটা ব্যাটারি পাওয়ার আসছে। এবার এখানে অর্ধেকটা আমরা স্ক্রেপ করেছি, তাই জন্য এখানে একটু লাইটার, এখানে একটু ডার্কার, যাতে যখন এটা হাফ টার্ন বানানোর আগে কারেন্টটা ডাইরেকশন চেঞ্জ করতে পারে, কারণ ওটা ঘুরতে ইজিয়ার হবে। আর ম্যাগনেটটাও একটু পোশাকগুলো ফোর্স দিচ্ছে, সো এটা আরেকটা ফুল স্পিন করতেও হেল্প করে। হ্যাঁ, সো এটা বেসিক ইলেকট্রিক অ্যাপ্লায়েন্সেস যেমন ফ্যান, ইলেকট্রিক কার্স এগুলো ইউজ করা হয়। সেন্সার, এটা হলো পিজো স্পিকার। একটা স্পিকার আলট্রাসনিক সাউন্ড ওয়েভস এমিট করে, যেটা অবজেক্টকে হিট করার পর এই পিজো স্পিকারটা ওটাকে অবজার্ভ করে। টাইম ইন্টারভালটা এই আরডিনো উনো বোর্ড ইনপুট হিসেবে নেয়, যেটা একটা কোড এটা ভেতরে আছে, যেটা ডিস্টেন্সটা টাইমটা নিয়ে ডিস্টেন্স ক্যালকুলেট করে, যেটা এইখানে দেখাবে। তোমার হাত এখন 15 সেন্টিমিটারে কম আর 5 সেন্টিমিটারে বেশি আছে বলে গ্রিন লাইট জ্বলছে, এখন 5 সেন্টিমিটারে কম আছে বলে রেড লাইট জ্বলছে, আর অ্যালার্মটা বাজ হচ্ছে।
Here we have on the pipe over here from the main tank to the supplementary tank. The water will come over here in this way. This is the circuit board which will be present in every house, and this is the automation center from which tank as well as the circuit board will be connected. Here we put in 25% the bulb is not closed since the tank requires more water, but from 50% you will see that the bulb will close. This will be a blue light, this will be a yellow light, and this will be a red light. Red light means 100%, that means it's full. Now we have to off it since it's done. This is mainly used for the new town project planning, and moreover this actually prevents the dry run of the pump as well as the prevention of the overflowing of the water. Thank you so much.
Here we can see that electrical energy, chemical energy stored in the battery is converted into electrical energy through the wires, which is further converted into mechanical motion in the motor. The motor rotates with the help of electromagnetic field.
Without touching the wire, you have to over here. Without touching the wire, you touch the wire, then the buzzer buzz out. It means the out. First you have to pick a cheat. Open it. 2. The number you will get is the number of chances. Start. First chance is gone. By the way, none. There are many ways to generate energy, but we have tried to show how wind generates energy. Our topic is wind. First, how wind collects energy and then it's transferred to our houses and countries like this. And